In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Binance options for beginners. If you're new to the world of Binance options trading, don't worry, we're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to get started with this exciting facet of cryptocurrency trading. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Binance app on your phone. Once you've got the app up and running, direct your attention to the bottom of the interface and find the section labeled More. This is where all the additional features that Binance offers reside, and is where we'll embark on our options trading journey. Once you're in the More section, you'll need to locate and tap on Options under the Trade menu. Binance options are quite powerful trading tools that offer you flexibility in terms of strategy, but it's crucial to understand the basics before diving into trading complicated strategies. By selecting options, you're positioning yourself to tap into this dynamic trading opportunity. Now, after you've accessed the options menu, it's time to decide which cryptocurrency option you'd like to trade. Binance primarily offers options trading for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Depending on your interest and market analysis, select either BTC or ETH. Getting familiar with the price movements and trends of these digital currencies can be beneficial as it enables you to make more informed trading decisions. The next step in your options trading experience is to choose a contract. At this juncture, you have to make a choice between a call option, which gives you the right to buy, or a put option, which grants the right to sell the cryptocurrency at the strike price before the option expires. Additionally, you'll also need to select the expiry date and the strike price, the latter being the price at which you can exercise the option. It's a critical decision as it determines your potential profitability and risk, so take some time to evaluate market conditions and your trading strategy. With these decisions made, you're almost ready to engage in a trade. The final step involves entering the amount you wish to trade. How much are you willing to invest in this position? Carefully assess your risk appetite and trading strategy, then input the amount you're comfortable with. Once you're ready, tap Buy to place your order and make sure to confirm it. Double check that all the information you've inputted aligns with your trading intentions. And there you have it, you've placed an options trade on Binance. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the world of Binance options trading, unlocking a versatile tool that can help you leverage cryptocurrency markets to their fullest potential. Happy trading, and always continue learning to refine your strategies.